Hello viewers and dear audience, thank you everyone who come and join with us today. In this workshop, we will talk various aspects of EU law and the EU citizen and their family member rights under the EU settlement scheme. I know a lot of you had a question. Today, I myself, Suhail Ahmed, and our principal, Mrs. Farhana Ratur, she will give all your answer. And as you know, Farhana is looking after this farm and she's busy, but she managed to give us some time. And she's an expert on EU laws, and I hope she will be able to help all of you. So what we will do basically, we'll discuss mainly under EU settlement scheme, those who missed the deadline, what they can do now. We also speak about whether someone can apply for family members, what the requirement, because some people still confused that they cannot apply when inviting their family members. All these questions you can ask whatever it is, and then I myself and Farhana will help you today. Please take it, this is not legal advice, so if you want to discuss, please bring your file and make an appointment with somebody in our office and see them, then we can discuss the details. This is a generic advice and generic information, it's not a legal advice. So I hopefully audience you understand, and then Facebook as well. If you have any question, or YouTube, you can leave a comment, the live video, and we'll try to give your answer. Thank you. So let's start with the question under the EU law. So first, Mr. Khalid, please ask your question.
My question is that when we call our family members out of UK from any country like Pakistan, India, under the EU law?
Yes, thank you so much for your question. Yes, you can, but there are certain conditions applied. So, Mr. Sahel, can you explain to him about those conditions, please?
Yeah, so as my colleague, Mr. Farhana said that yes, you can still apply. I do agree with her. And the condition is, although we are out of the European Union, but still you can apply to bring your parents in the UK. Same requirement as EU law, but you need to make the application under the EU settlement scheme. You can invite your family members to come to the UK, and basically close family member, your children, your partner, your wives, unmarried partner, and your, of course, your parents, your grandchildren, your grandparents. This is the line you're bringing them. The condition is you must be in the UK before 31st December, or what all of you I think have, and you already get a settled or pre-settled status. Okay, so this is of course the first condition, and second condition, as Farhana brief us before we go to live on Facebook, that is your relationship with your family member must start before 30 December 2020. This is the second condition, right? So if you married before 31st December, or if your relationship is your affairs, or if you have fall in love with someone starting communication, that is also bisexual, you can establish with this with the evidence. Then you can invite your family member to come to the UK under the EU settlement scheme. Right, okay, so I hope you got your answer.
Yeah, thank you.
Next question, this blue scarf madam. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, I made a Zindarano Career application. I just wanted to know about the future of these applications, because there's no clear guidance about that. So I just wanted to ask what they will do about our applications.
Yes, the Home Office, basically, they are waiting for the Court of Appeal decision, and they are, which we are expecting will be getting by the end of this month. And as soon as the Court of Appeal will give the decision, then the Home Office will finalize all the decision on all these type of application made, and you will get your decision after that, maybe in August. And this will be depend on what the Court of Appeal says.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think we got your question. And then the black tie gentleman. Thank you.
Yes, I just want to ask about regarding the EU settlement scheme, like for those people who already missed the deadline. So can they apply now?
Yes, they can apply now, but there are certain conditions given by the Home Office, which Mr. Sahel is going to explain you, and you will get your answer.
Yeah, so basically, yes, still you can apply, I do agree, but the only thing you need to prove that you cannot make the application, there must be a reasonable excuse or reasonable ground. For example, if someone had no access to internet or doesn't speak English, they don't know about Brexit and all these things. If you can establish these things, that there is a reasonable grounds because of this you cannot make the application. Or you was inside someone because of the country is a red listed country, or you was in somewhere else because of the coronavirus, or for a medical grounds, childbirth. There are some list of reasonable grounds Home Office published in their website. If you follow this ground and you didn't make the application, or you wouldn't make the application, then you still make application under EU settlement scheme, right? All right. The next question, please. Please.
Okay, so I want to find out what will happen to EU nationals who have not applied for any settled status yet and don't have settled status.
Pardon, can you tell me again?
So what will happen to EU nationals who have not applied for settled status yet? What happens to them?
Yeah, okay. I think I'll give the answer. This is basically those who didn't make the application or failed to make the application with their land. They are in illegal, so they are overstaying the UK. So what the Home Office will do? Will they deport them, or what they will do? So basically, so when someone applied for example, benefit, the local authority or the job center or the HMRC will ask you information about their settled status or pre-settled status. If they don't have, they will refuse to give, and they will refer, either they will ask them or they will refer to the Home Office to make an application within 28 days. So Home Office will give them a 28 days notice to make the application, and if they cannot make the application by these 28 days, then they will not able to probably make the application. So they will get a 28-day notice, but we don't know yet if they don't make the application 28 days, what will happen in the future. What the thing is that the Home Office will give them a written notice for 28 days to make the application. All right, if they can make the application, hopefully they will get a settled or pre-settled status. Does it make sense, Fu?
Yes, it's fine.
Brilliant. Next question, please, Mr. What's your name, madam?
Yes,
Sir, what's your name?
Madam Ali.
Please,
Thank you. My next question is that how you can apply for EU settlement scheme under the Zabrana rule?
You need to, this is basically the paper-based form. So you need to download this from the Home Office website. So once you download it, you need to fill it up, and then you have to send off to the Home Office, and you need to post this. And the documentary evidence, if you don't have, you have 10 days. So you need to send those documentary evidence, what you are going to put together with your application within 10 days of your application. And you need to send these by post as well.
Okay.
Thank you. So you do understand, yeah?
Thank you.
Okay, so next question I'll take you, Madam, please, Can you tell your name if you don't mind?
My name is Naviba.
Thank you.
I heard that BRC is not valid anymore. So I just want you to know if it's still valid, and if it's not valid, as I heard. So what should I do then?
No, it's you're right. It's not valid at the moment. Mr. Sahel, can you explain them what is the new thing come up?
Yeah, thank you, Madam Farhana. Yes, your BRC card under EU law is not more valid. Despite it expired, will be after maybe 2 years, 1 year, or 5 years. Because many people is confused and they do this mistake, because all the BRC card which was issued under the EU law will be not valid after UK left the Europe. That means after 30 June, you cannot use your BRC card which was granted under the European law. So what you need to do? You need to make a replacement BRP card under EU settlement scheme. The good thing is you don't need to pay any Home Office fee. There is an application form online, update, replace your BRC card under BRP under EU settlement scheme, and you can make the application. Probably you need to give BRP fingerprint, and the Home Office will issue a new BRP card under EU settlement scheme, and then you can travel this. What will happen if you travel with your invalid BRC card, which was issued under the EU law? You can go from the UK to your home in Kashmir or Pakistan or Bangladesh or Africa, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Ecuador, wherever it is. Yeah? But you not want to travel back to the UK. This is invalid. Okay? So what you need to do, you need to make an application as soon as possible for BRP card under EU settlement scheme. Next one, Mr. Amin, please.
Yeah, I just want to ask, how long a person can stay outside the UK if they get the settled or pre-settled under the EU settlement scheme?
Very good question. I think almost every EU citizen and their family member need to know this answer. Okay, so Madam Farhana, please.
Yeah, if they have a settled status and they can stay up to 5 years out of UK, and then this is the answer in the pre-settled status. If you can tell Mr. Suhail about it.
Yeah, so as Farhana said that you know, normally if you have ILR in the UK, if you go outside UK more than 2 years, you lose your ILR. You need to, if you want to come back, you need to apply for returning visa, right of residence visa. So this is one. And in case of EU ILR, you lose your ILR if you stay outside the UK more than 5 years. So you shouldn't go more than 5 years, okay? And the question for pre-settled status is if you stay outside the UK for more than 6 months, and if your original excuse, then 12 months, and then more than 6 months or more than 12 months or 6 months. If you stay outside the UK, then what will happen? You will lose the opportunity to get settled status, because to qualify for settled status, you need continuous 5 years. So if you stay outside the UK more than 6 months, that your continuous residence break, and you will not get settled status. But you will not lose your pre-settled status. So what will happen? Clock will start again that time when your continuous residence break. Okay. This is the one. But if you stay outside the UK more than 2 years, then you lose your pre-settled status. Okay, then you cannot work. You leave lapse 2 years. But 6 months to 12 months, what will happen? You lose the right to apply or for settled status. They will refuse because lack of continuous residence. Does it make sense for you?
Yeah.
Start. Next question, Madam, you please.
So I want to find out what will happen to EU citizens who come to the UK without visa now.
Brilliant. EU citizen, before they want to come to the UK, I think they used to come without visa. They don't need visa, isn't it? Yeah, so this was the open market free movement. Come, claim benefit, everything. They can enjoy life as a British citizen. And Farhana, you became a British citizen after so hard work in the UK. They're paying a lot of tax, you and your husband.
Yes.
Dr. Nadeem, he is a brilliant dentist and contributor for the community and serving this country. And both of you are proud, isn't it? Because you are a solicitor and your husband is a dentist, established surgery, and both of you are paying a lot of tax serving this community. And it is very unpopular. So we were back coming from the Pakistan to here, and now established in the society and community contributing. Okay, anyway. So, but European citizen can come next day claiming benefit, all this, because this was the principle of EU law. It was, I had same opportunity to go to France or any EU country as a British citizen and obtain all this right. However, unfortunately or fortunately, you can left the Europe. Now, if they want to come to the UK, they can come, but their status will be as a visitor. Right? They don't need visa. They can come to the UK and stay up to 3 months or 6 months. But the condition of their entry is as a visitor. They cannot work. They cannot claim benefit. They will not be able to do any other stuff other than what visitor can do. Okay? Now, that's what their status is. So they can come to the UK but as a visitor, Now the problem is arise. A lot of visitors from the EU citizen, they are returning back from some airport. They're deported. The reason is, you come to the airport, immigration officer asks why you come. You give answer, I came to looking for a job. You don't have right to work. You come to visit. Enjoy your life in the UK. The Somerset visited the Queen, Buckingham Palace, Tower Bridge, as excellent solicitor, isn't it? Yeah. See the solicitor, all of these nice buildings in Canada, but not for work, innit? So if you, that means you are in breach of your visa condition. That's the reason they refuse entry. Or sometimes they ask, why you come to the UK? How long will you stay? Someone say, oh, maybe 2 years, 3 years. So you cannot, as a visitor, stay more than 6 months. So these are the issues where some EU citizens return back to the UK. So I think when you come to the UK from Europe, make sure bear in mind that you are coming to the UK as a visitor. As soon as you are a visitor, you can come to the UK without visa. Until now, so far I know, you don't need a visa. Okay, so same as British citizen, right? Is there any question in the audience? No question? No question, the best question. Okay, so all of you, thank you everyone. I see a lot of questions from Facebook. Thank you, Saidul Haq, good program. Thank you very much. Please, speaker, thank you. Irish citizen, James asked my Irish citizen on benefit in the UK, non-EU spouse can bring her over. Yes, you can bring, if you're claiming benefit, it doesn't mean you cannot invite someone, isn't it? Because claiming benefit is legal things and it's allowed under EU law to sponsor someone as soon as you satisfy the other requirements. So this is not an issue. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, Dalarusna Salim Bhai, thank you. Next question, I was deported from London. What can I do to get back to London? Brother, why you want to come back in London? Try to get in somewhere in Europe. If you're deported, you might not be able to come to the UK for next 10 years. Facebook, you help me, please. I like London too much. Everyone likes London too much. Pray to Allah, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give your reject in London, you will come, isn't it, Mr. Nasser? That's the point. Facebook, I'm an Afghan citizen, live in Peshawar. I think it's near to your home. Thank you. Nice to hear that you live in Peshawar. Do hard work. Pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pray for us as well and the whole community. Everyone, thank you very much. All of you who joined in live and Facebook. Hopefully you enjoy, and this information is very helpful for the community. Please feel free to share this video in your Facebook. This is a couple of questions, but a lot of people need to know this information. And this will end our program live today. See you again in our next program with bring all the contemporary issues of immigration and family law. Before that, I want to tell you that you, as excellent solicitor in the leadership of Mrs. Farhana Nadeem, brilliant lawyer, in nearly 8-9 years experience in legal practice, and have a brilliant team with a couple of solicitors. We are situated in London, Canary Wharf. We are second branch in Milton Keynes, and our third branch in Dublin, from where we cover the Europe. So if you have any issue with personal injury, our specialist expert case handler, Mr. Farhad Rathur, and our associate solicitor, Mrs. Nabid Rathur, and I think Mumrana Nabid, your name. So brilliant. She's a very helpful, experienced solicitor. She can help you. And I, of course, with you all the time for family, immigration, and any other legal matter. And Principal Farhana Rathur, she's a brilliant, experienced expertise on legal field. So if you need help, please feel free to contact. Our number appear on the screen, and also you can get online. So we mainly provide service from our London office. And if you need more help in any other town, please feel free to contact us, because we provide remotely via Zoom meeting, Skype, WhatsApp. So if you need help from Scotland, Edinburgh, Manchester, Newcastle, Oldham, anywhere, you can contact with our office, and they will arrange a Zoom session to discuss your legal program. Take care, everyone. A little bit marketing, just last bit for our team. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.